Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Initial Solution. Today in this tutorial I'm going to show you three methods to how to contact TikTok. So first one, you have to go for your TikTok app. Now go for your profile, click on in this three line option here, click on settings and privacy, scroll down, go for report a problem. Okay, now go for account and profile. Click on profile page, scroll down, go for others. Okay, wait for a second. Now scroll down, go for need more help. Okay, now you can describe here all your problems, and after that you can submit. You can also here, you can also add here uh, any pictures and video here, and you can submit here. Another way, you have to just go for any of your Google browser on your phone, then go for search here TikTok uh, feedback. So here it is. In this first uh, link, click on it, and now you can add here your problem. You can describe your problem here, and you have to add email address, username of your TikTok app, TikTok account, and you can submit here. Another way, which is very simple and helpful, you can contact TikTok with email. So TikTok has so many email addresses. So which is going to show you TikTok feedback email or email addresses. Okay, wait for a second. So you can see this all of it. This is TikTok's email addresses. You can send via this email address an email. So in these three methods, you can contact with TikTok. Hope this video helped you guys. If it did, then please like, comment, and share. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you.